If you are troubled by pigeons, I am going to show you how you can get rid of them, starting from today. I'm going to share such an easy and unique solution that works. You will be amazed when you hear it. Pigeons cause a lot of trouble in most houses. They often create a mess, build nests, and make everything dirty. This simple trick will not only keep pigeons away, but also prevent diseases. So let me share a very inexpensive remedy that requires almost no effort. When you use this solution, you'll see that the pigeons will disappear from your balcony and you'll feel such relief. For this remedy, you'll need a black plastic bag, like a carrier bag. If you don't have black plastic, you can use garbage bin liners commonly available in most homes. You don't need to buy anything special. Cut the plastic into strips about 8 to 10 inches long. If you have smaller size plastic, you can use as it is without cutting. This size works best for maximum effectiveness, and I'll explain why. You can use these plastic strips to make a deterrent. Tie the strips to a piece of string or thread using a needle. This makes them easy to attach to balconies or places where pigeons frequent. As the strips flutter in the wind, the sound and movement scare pigeons away. They dislike the reflective and shiny surfaces, which keep them from coming back. If colorful plastic strips are available, you can use those too, as their movement and sound create a strong deterrent. Hang these strips where pigeons usually gather, and you'll notice they will stay away immediately. For those who might not like the look of dangling plastic, you can find decorative alternatives in the market that serve the same purpose. These options are more aesthetically pleasing, but do cost money, such as bird reflective tape or reflective spinning devices. Lastly, during hot weather, pigeons will seek water. Whilst you are keeping them away from your home with this trick, consider keeping some water and grains for them under a tree or in an open space. This ensures they stay hydrated and fed without bothering your home. Try this solution, and I assure you that you'll get 100% relief from pigeons. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share how this worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 3 ways to scare off pigeons from your roof that are guaranteed to work.